Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I want to do a quick DIY. I have my coffee and tea time with you coming up in a little while, but I wanted to pop in and share this quick DIY I have sitting around for about 3 weeks now and have not done anything with it, and just decided I wanted to share it with you today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video and join us on this journey. I hope that you'll like the video and decide to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Well, I'm going to jump right in. These are two of my favorite glue sticks I want to share with you. And I purchased both of them from Walmart, but you can also get the glue sticks, the Gorilla. I mention it all the time. Sounds like I'm endorsing it, but I'm not. But I am promoting it because I use it and it works really well. It is extremely strong. They're both pretty strong. You can find it at Walmart. And, you know, it works really, really well. And I love it. So you will need glue sticks. You will need 2 candlesticks. I went ahead and spray painted them black, but the Dollar Tree has them. They're clear. You can, I'm going to spray paint it again, but I wanted to prime it black first. And I went ahead, glued these together so that I can see if it will stick well together. Now, if you had not seen the DIY I did with the toilet bowl plunger, then I'm just going to invite you to check that out. It was a cool project. I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite rustic decor. I have it out on my patio that I spend a lot of time out there, and that's where I have it. And it's actually holding up really well with the weather out there as well. So if you recreate that, you will definitely love it. So after that project, I had the tops left over, didn't know what to do with them, wanted to do something with them, so I decided to glue it together about 3 weeks ago. It's been sitting around just to get an idea if this is the way I could go with it. I think I'm going this way with it. It's pretty still stable. It's really good. And I'm going to go ahead and create a home decor with the toilet bowl plunger for you guys this morning. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you have your glue gun, glue sticks, and your Dollar Tree candle holders, your Dollar Tree plungers. You will need spray paint, and I'm not sure if we're going to do glitter yet. So as we go through, you know, I work according to how I'm being led, so you never know both of them. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to take it out and spray paint both items. And then I will come back and show you what it looks like and what it's going to be. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm using the Rust-Oleum American Accent and Ultra Cover. It has the paint and primer in it, so I absolutely love that. And this is the metallic gold that I'm using. And they're not fully dry, so I'm just showing you right now. And this is the same. Well, this is a little different. Rust-Oleum still is, and it stopped rust, which is nice. But of course, I'm using it on plastic, so, or rubber, so it's no big deal. It's a stain. So that's what I'm using onto the plunger. That right now is still wet. And I just wanted to bring them inside so they're not out in the elements outside. Okay, so I'm letting this dry, and then we will come back and assemble them. I am going to add some of the Walmart stones. I'm using the large ones and the small ones. And I've mentioned them several times, but I will go ahead and tell you that they are $2.98 a piece, and I think it's worth it. So I'll be back once this is not sticky and we can get started on assembling them. Okay guys, so I just realized once I was reading it to you that I actually bought stain, and I'm all about quick and easy, and I don't really care for stain because it doesn't dry as fast as I want it to. So I am just mad at myself because this is going to take a little bit longer to dry. So what I want to do is just go ahead and start on decorating the stand. So I'm going to put the small stones around the top of the candle stand. While that's drying, hopefully. I don't want to run late this morning for you guys coffee with me, so I need that to dry. Actually, I can use these small pieces. I may go ahead and add a few more. I think I will. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, add more of the stones, and I'll be back to show you where I am. So this is how it turned out, and I'm going to attempt to glue on the top of these as well, because I believe I want to have some around the top. Excuse me guys, it's early, so so hopefully this is dried. Let's start with the top. And we're pretty much doing the same thing we've done with the glass. And if it doesn't stick, because like I said, it's hopefully you will not buy the stain, but if it doesn't stick, you can always use your glue. Sticking, it seems fine. Okay, great. So I think I want to do 2 of those. I'm going to go ahead, do that. I possibly will do 3 just because I did 4 here. I'll do 3 here and I'll be back to show you how we assemble them together. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add the stone around onto the plunger. I'm going to show you now how to do it on this one. You're going to take your stones and fill it up. And I'm going to stress to make sure when you buy your navy blue spray paint to make sure that you buy the correct spray paint and not the stain. That was my mistake. I did not pay attention and it's everywhere. My table is a mess because it takes longer to dry. So just please make sure you pay attention to that. So I lay my glue down onto the area that I joined the 2 plungers. Lay my glue down. In this case, because this paint is so sticky, I definitely have to use the glue, even though these have the adhesive on them. But it's not bad. So I'm going to do that all the way around and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so now I am going to glue the plunger to the center of the candle holder, just like that. So let's go ahead and add my glue to the top. And as usual, be generous with the glue. Okay. Same thing with this one. I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, place it where you can see it, and then I will come back and show you. Perfect. It just fell right in place. I'll come back and show you what it looks like on the table. I wanted you to see all the angles on this candle holder. Okay guys, so basically I just took the candle and screwed it into the center of this plunger and it sits perfectly fine. So I love the way it turned out. I mean, for it to be a plunger, I think it's a great idea. Different design. I like it. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up if you like the way it turned out. And share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time. I appreciate your support and your participation. Thank you guys again for being such great subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber, I hope you will decide to become a subscriber. I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and you don't want to miss
my Tuesday morning coffee and tea with Faithlyn because I have an announcement for you guys. All right, thank you, and I hope you do like this. I think it's adorable. I think it's different. I like it a lot. Thank you guys.